Hello bachcho, let us read the question. An inductor of inductance L is equal to 400 millihenry and resistors of resistances R1 equal to 2 ohm and R2 equal to 2 ohm are connected to a battery of EMF E is equal to 12 volts as shown in the figure. The internal resistance of the battery is negligible. The switch S is closed at time t equal to 0. What is the potential drop across L as a function of time? After the steady state is reached, the switch is opened. What is the direction and magnitude of current through R1 as a function of time? तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है growth of a current in an inductor, growth of a current in an inductor. तो अगर हम इंस्टेंटेनियस करंट को मापना चाहते हैं then that is given by this equation. E is equal to I naught 1 minus e to the power minus r by L into t. So this is how the current grows in an inductor, जहाँ पे I naught होगा initial current, R is the resistance, and L is the inductance. तो ये एक LR सर्क्यूट में करंट करंट का जो ग्रोथ होता है या इंक्रीज होता है वो इस इक्वेशन से हम जान सकते हैं. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले हम जो डिटेल्स दिए हैं क्वेश्चन में उसको नोट करेंगे. गिवन inductance of the inductor L, उसका वैल्यू है 400 मिली हेनरी विच इज 400 इंटू 10 पावर -3 हेनरी, जो वैल्यू होता है 0.4 हेनरी. रेजिस्टेंस R1, उसका वैल्यू है 2 ओम. रेजिस्टेंस R2 is also 2 ohms. तो EMF का वैल्यू है, EMF E is given to be 12 volts. तो जो ब्रांच में R2 और L है, so in the branch which contains R2 and L, हम करंट को I is equal to E by R2 into 1 minus e to the power minus r by L t लिख सकते हैं. अभी we will differentiating. तो differentiating with time, तो हम लिख सकते हैं di by dt di by dt is equal to, so this यहाँ पे हम डिफ्रेंशिएशन का चेन रूल अप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा e by minus e by r2 into minus r by L into e to the power minus, since we are looking at R2 branch with R2, तो ये R2 होगा R2 L into T. तो ये माइनस और माइनस कैंसिल होता है, R2 और R2 भी कैंसिल होता है. सो दिस विल कम आउट टू बी E by L e to the power minus R2 by L into T. So the voltage across the inductor is given by VL को L di by dt के फॉर्म से जानते हैं. So therefore VL will be L into E by L e to the power minus R2 by L into T. तो अभी ये L और L कैंसिल होता है. So we have VL is equal to e to the power minus R2T into E. तो substitute करते हैं values. So we will get the relation between the voltage drop across the inductor and the time. तो ये है 12 e to the power minus 2 by 0.4 into T. So this becomes 12 e to the power minus 5t. So this is the relation between the voltage. This is the how the voltage across the inductor will vary with respect to time. Abhi, the next question says so second part of this question, after steady state is reached, switch is opened. What is the direction and magnitude of current through R1 as a function of time? So उसके लिए पहले हम स्टेडी स्टेट इक्वेशन में करंट को लिखेंगे. सो इन स्टेडी स्टेट current through the conductor, current through the inductor is, तो उसका वैल्यू है I naught is equal to E by R2. So E is 12, R2 is 2. So this comes out to be 6 amps. तो अभी in an LR circuit, current decay is given as I is equal to I naught e to the power minus R effective or equivalent by L into T. तो अभी हम the equivalent resistance को calculate करेंगे. R equivalent is R1 plus R2, which is 2 plus 2, 4 ohms. So therefore R equivalent by L is 4 divided by 0.4. तो इसका वैल्यू आता है 10. So therefore I is equal to, तो I naught का वैल्यू हमें मिला 6 e to the power, this is minus 10t, और डायरेक्शन है clockwise because this is positive. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.